So I'm here today, super excited because I want to try my new brow kit that I got at a trade show in Texas, Fab Brows. So they demonstrated this on me and I absolutely loved it. They did it so quick and so easy, so I want to see if it's as easy as they say it is. So it comes with everything that you need. They color match for you based on your hair color and skin tone. So you get 2 colors. For me, they use a combination of light brown and medium brown. And then they give you these templates. So this is like the guide to the perfect eyebrow. Since I obviously struggle with eyebrows, mine are like non-existent, I don't want too big of a shape. So the one that they used on me was the thinnest shape on the kit. I'm gonna go ahead and try that again since I loved it so much. All 6 of the different arches are in the kit, so you can shuffle through them, you can play with them, do whatever you want. Let's see, I use this one. It's called Slender. So you're gonna wanna mix the 2 colors. I'm gonna use a little bit of the light and then more of the medium because I have the more medium tones in my hair. So light and medium. And then basically, the arch on the stencil, you're gonna line it up with the highest point on your brow, the arch. Since I obviously don't have much, I'm just gonna hope for the best. Line it up, hold it tight, start from the tail end, color in the powder back and forth, back and forth. That way it gets evenly onto your skin underneath any hair, even though I don't have much. Back and forth. Wow, look at that. I love it. Ah, easy. Okay, let's see if I can do it on the other side. Stem stencil, flip it over. Mix together the 2 colors again. Arch to arch. This is the tricky part here. Let's see if I can make them match. I think that looks pretty good. Tail end, back and forth. Let's see, I think I might have messed up. Hey, yes, I love it. Smudge proof, sweat proof, waterproof for 24 hours. Quick, easy, natural.